Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this versatile ring. It's beautiful, it's Unakite, which I just love the green and pink colors. And of course you can use any stone you like, but I do love this one. Let's begin. Cut 3 lengths of 10 centimeters long of 1 millimeter copper wire. You will need a short length of 0.3 millimeter wrapping wire. I used 30 centimeters. We are going to make 2 wraps on each side of the bundle and 2 centimeters from each end. A little short wrap of 8 turns and finish off each end so that there are no scratchy bits. I finish off a wrap with 1 or 2 turns around an individual wire so that you are finishing off the end, it doesn't unravel, and then just smooth it off. Check a circumference size here for your ring. I have a little band of size 7 just to make sure you're on the right track with the size. The circumference of the ring must be from wrap to wrap. So we've made a neat little bundle of 3 wires, 2 sides, and wrapped at each end. Now wrap it around your ring mandrel to the size you want and intertwine those wires. So almost like a weave, one in from each side, the other one through, and then ease it down and ease those wires past each other. So flatten those 2 sets of wires past each other and push down as much as you can. And then we're going to use a nylon hammer just to completely set the wires in place. This is looking interesting already, isn't it? Now my little trick here is to take a tiny piece of press stick, put it onto the join so that I can fit my stone without it wobbling off. I know this is against all the rules, but it works for me. And that little piece of press stick can just be pulled out with a pin or a piece of wire, so it's not a problem. Now we are going to bend all those ends of the wires into pretty curls. Just a cute little curl, nice and flat, make sure it's flat, and work your way around all of the wires. If one of them is too long, then you can trim it at this stage. You could use any stone, little cabochon in this type of design, and I love this little teardrop shape, but there's so many cabochons that we could use, couldn't we? My aim is to show you a technique and then lead you on to making many, many more of your own with your own style and your own choice of stones. Now we are going to bend all of those curls up and over the stone. I am using the pliers for the first few, and then I'm going to use my fingers just to push the wires up and over the stone. Just keep positioning the stone so that it lines up with the band. It was equally over the band as well and all in place. Just keep an eye on that as you are tightening and squeezing those wires. This is almost a prong setting, but in a more open design, and without the curls we could have just made loops and made a proper prong setting. I do like this way of putting all the pretty curls of copper up on top of the stone as well. It looks really nice. Turn the ring over and squeeze the pliers from the bottom as well to make sure that your wires are tightly set up against the underside of that stone. Thank you for watching to the end of my video. Please subscribe if you'd like to or see more of my jewelry videos. I would like you to take great care of yourselves. You are very special. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.